How to draw Bowser from the Super Mario Brothers movie. I'm on a landscape page, use a pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, right, I want to start with the middle of a page, I want to start with his nose, right? So we're going to do this curved line comes across. And then this becomes a sort of a triangular shape down here. Like so. Then we have nostrils. 1, 2. And to make these look sort of dark, we're going to put like a dark section just here on the top. So make it look more like they're holes than not. So real big eyebrows, right? So we got these real thick, big thick lines, right? Big hairy eyebrows. And they hook the whole way down. Like that. Same on the other side. Crazy big. Like so. And these go back underneath his eye. So they go, you can kind of make them maybe a little bit hairy down here, but they come back down to the nose and they just join up back in there. Same thing on this side, maybe a little bit hair, but back down to the eye there. And if you want, like, you can put more texture and stuff on them just to make them look a little bit hairier. Like that. Like so. So his eyes then, so we got these big round eyes that are behind his nose. Hooks down that way. And then we have his iris, half circle underneath the eyebrow, and his pupil under there. Same thing on the other side, big round eye, iris and pupil. Like so. So this frowning line can go sort of more this way as well, just for his frowning forehead. So his mouth, so we got these two big round sections coming out from the nose. It's like his snout, really. So it curves around like that. And then curves around pretty much the same on the other side. It's kind of like a cat. You know the way cats have those lips. And then we got like two fangs coming down here. So his lip, just in between the fangs. And you could see like some white teeth just here. So like a shadow sort of on the side, right? And then I think we've got like another lip sort of section inside here. And then this seems to be just black inside here. Like so. So then we got a big round chin, just coming down here. Bumping around like that. And then these cheeks come out the side. Like so. Same on this side. Like so. And then we have sort of eyelid lines sort of around his eyes. So like here, and then a bottom one coming around here. And we can see his top lip sort of smiling just here. So I had two horns, so we got like a piece of skin here, and then a horn comes out from it. And it goes in behind sort of his hair here somewhere. Same on the other side. Like so. And then his hair, red spiky hair, comes out from the middle, right? So you got like his hairline, so like a V here in the middle. And then it like spikes around to his eyebrow. Just these zigzag sort of lines. And then we've all these hair spikes, right? So like red, spiky hair like this. And it kind of gets slicked back down here. Like so, and if you want like some textures on the horns as well, so just like some lines like this. That's pretty much how to draw his face. Right, so his body then. So we can see his big sort of shoulders sticking out the side here, coming out from like his cheek. Right, one going that way, the other going this way. And he's making these two fists down the front. So yeah, we'll do the fist first actually. So we'll curve this around. And then we'll join it all up together, right? So just be big round fist. There's a thumb there, and then a finger, big finger, and another, just there. We do the same on this side pretty much, so. Okay, and then we've got like some spiking armbands that are on his arms, so they like fold over his arms, right? You got say like a spike here, and then this sort of comes down around his bicep, right here, and it goes down behind his skin, right? So his elbow kind of goes off my page that way, and then the other side of this, and every now and then you'll have like a spike. Like that, and then another sort of edge line to it just to make it look a bit 3D. And then we can just see his shell and his shoulder armpit kind of in there. And we have another spiking armband here. Curves around for the edge of it. And we got like two spikes. Might be a third down there, but we'll do two just to keep it simple. And then like his forearm would be just coming around here. Right, we'll do something like this over here. So say like another sort of spiking thing here. You're just kind of copying the other side if you want. We'll do one more, maybe there. And then another elbow sort of line. It's forearm. This goes down behind his arm. Then we do a couple of spikes. And then this line. Spike. like so. And yep. Right, so then his like armpit and turtle shell on this side, like on his belly. And he's got these turtle shell lines just here. And then the shell on his back. Just coming around here. And this will have like the odd spike sort of sticking up. Like so. Okay. I think that's everything as well. You can add sort of textures like wrinkles and stuff to his skin if you wanted it to be a more sort of reptilian looking, stuff like this. Sometimes it can help. Right. But that's it. That is Bowser from the Mario movie. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.